So in this video, I'm going to show you how to sign in to your WhatsApp account, one WhatsApp account with two different phones. Basically, how to use one WhatsApp account on two different phones. So what I'm going to do, instead of signing in just like you normally would, put your number, what you have to do is to click on the three dots at the top right corner and click on link as companion device. When you do this, it's going to show you a barcode which you will need to scan with your other device. Now I'm going to use my Android to scan this barcode. What I'm going to do is to go to my Android device and click on the three dots at the top right corner and select linked devices. Here I'm going to click on link a device. It wants me to turn on my mobile data or Wi-Fi. Let me connect to a Wi-Fi real quick. So I'm going to scan the barcode on my iPhone. You'll have to wait a little bit. It's going to take some time. As you can see right here, the iOS WhatsApp has been linked. Now all my chat will be moved to my iPhone. You have to be patient. If you have way more bigger chat than me, it's going to take time. All the chat will be moved, both your videos and pictures and stickers will be moved to the other device. So I'm not going to take you through the process where I'll be waiting for all the chats to fully sync. But this is how you link one WhatsApp account to two different devices. You can do this to 3 or 4 if you want. So that's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.